All right, everybody, it's finally time for us to take everything that we learned and create our own full playable level. Okay, so here's a quick little example of the kind of level you can design. It's not perfect, but I just wanted to give you all an idea of the kind of thing you can do. I'll go ahead and play through it real quick and just talk about it. Just start off in this little area here. There's some fires around, there's health. One of the pickup items are right inside of this little dwelling, so I'll pick that up. And then we can leave out here. So of course I made those with the Pro Builder tools. Those are really easy little shapes just to come up with real quick, and then you can just duplicate them and use them as needed. We have this sort of tunnel right here going through the cliff and to this little wooded area. We've got these broken walls here. I've got a fire over here to draw the player's attention to the other pickup item, which is right there. And then of course we have this sort of gorge or canyon that I've set up here with a bit of platforming. And again, this level is not perfect, but I was just making a quick example for you all to see. You all can take much more time with your design, come up with something that's really awesome. I just wanted to show you a little bit of what you can do with this. Okay, so here we go. Just jump over this wall. I've got these obelisks right here, and the final pickup item is right there. We'll pick that up, and we have collected all the items, and we have won this level. So just wanted to show you all what kind of level design you could do. I want you all to go ahead and design your own levels now. Come up with any ideas you can think of, whatever you want to do, any assets you want to use from the asset store, any ideas you have, go ahead and get started on that design now, and then I will see you in the next video.